Good morning, students. Today we'll discuss the topic occurrence of metal, occurrence of non-metal and metalloids from the chapter metal and non-metal. First, occurrence of metals. Metal generally occur in combined form as mineral. Suppose you think to extract आयरन, तो आपको आयरन डायरेक्टली नहीं मिलेगा, वो एक रॉक के फॉर्म में है और उस रॉक में बहुत सारे अदर मेटल्स और यू कैन से other impurities may be mixed. Sometimes it may happen that the amount of metal in the mineral is quite low and the extraction process would be expensive. आयरन कोई रॉक है, उस रॉक में आयरन का कंटेंट बहुत कम है और अदर इम्प्योरिटीज़ का कंटेंट, मतलब यू कैन से इम्प्योरिटीज लाइक आयरन को छोड़ के बाकी अगर कोई और अगर मेटल मिल रहा है वहाँ पे, तो डैट कैन बी कॉल्ड एज इम्प्योरिटी, क्योंकि आप तो एक आयरन एक्सट्रैक्ट करने गए थे। तो आयरन का कंटेंट इतना कम है कि आपको ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रॉक्स को निकालना पड़ेगा, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रॉक्स को निकाल के उसको पिघलाना पड़ेगा, एंड व्हाट विल हैपन, द अमाउंट ऑफ आयरन एक्सट्रैक्टेड विल बी क्वाइट लो, therefore the extraction process will be quite expensive. But if the amount of metal in a mineral is quite high, amount of metal in that rock is quite high, then it is profitable to extract that metal, and that kind of rock is called as ore. A very important definition: if the amount of metal in a mineral is quite high, then it is profitable to extract that mineral, and that rock is called as ore. बहुत सारा स्टडी होता है, मेनी स्टडीज़ गेट कैरिड आउट, उसमें उन स्टडीज़ में कैलकुलेट किया जाता है कि उस रॉक में कितना कौन कौन से मेटल्स हैं, आपको जो मेटल एक्सट्रैक्ट करना है वो कितने परसेंटेज में है, एक्सट्रैक्शन प्रोसेस प्रॉफिटेबल है. नेक्स्ट, इफ़ अ मेटल इज़ बीइंग एक्सट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम अ mineral, or you can say or from a rock, then the impurities which are of no use, those impurities are called as gangue. Some metals like silver, platinum, gold, they are very unreactive in this surrounding, and these unreactive metals are called as noble metal, and the process of extracting pure metal from the ore is called as metallurgy. If you are extracting iron from its ore, then it is called as metallurgy. The process, whole process being carried out is called as metallurgy. बहुत बड़े बड़े ब्लास्ट फर्नेस होते हैं, बहुत बड़े बड़े फैक्ट्रीज में रॉक्स को पिघलाया जाता है एट अ पर्टिकुलर टेम्परेचर, एंड देन अ पर्टिकुलर मेटल इज जस्ट डिराइव्ड. नेक्स्ट, occurrence of non-metals and metalloids. Here are example of few metals and metalloids. First one, hydrogen. Hydrogen is the most abundant element in this universe. In fact, all the stars are just made up of hydrogen. Therefore, we can say that the most abundant metal in this universe is hydrogen. And on Earth, hydrogen is found mainly in water. 11%. 11% by weight. Next one is nitrogen. It is found in free state in atmosphere. 76% of the air is nitrogen, and even occurs in combined form like NaNO3, saltpeter, may even occur in free state in atmosphere and even occur in combined form in the form of rocks. Third one is oxygen. Forms 23% of the mass of atmosphere, and 89% of the mass of water is oxygen. 11% is hydrogen, 89% is oxygen. Next is carbon. Carbon occurs in free form in graphite, diamond, coal, but in combined form it may occur in atmosphere as carbon monoxide. इसमें कार्बन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड CO2, इनमें भी कार्बन है. Thank you. Write these two assignments, these two pages in your fair notebook copy. You are getting your homework. Write these two assignments, these two are assignments in your fair notebook copy, and there are few questions which you will write in your fair notebook copy.